Greetings from the MSC Meraviglia. And here is a look of Deck 16. There is the fitness center. Get another look inside, and this is complimentary if you want to work out, use a treadmill, and spend the day in the buffet and the evening burning it off. No additional fees to utilize the fitness center on Deck 16. Other ways to burn some calories is in the Sportplex. It's an entertainment walkway, to say the least. As if you are a gamer, they've got some gaming options. I'll take a walk in so you can see. Got some gaming options. Some win a prize machines. Let's see what you can win here today. Some witchy stuff, some Harry Potter items. This one is for those of you who are here to jam. There are some headphones you can win. This is probably the most exciting one, even just for people to look at, as they've got this ride here where you're in a race car. Like, people were walking by saying, how big are race cars? Is that what they look like in person? So that was exciting for many. And there is a bowling alley. So if you're one of those people that likes to say, the ground was shaking, that's why I didn't hit the pins, here's your perfect opportunity to go bowling at sea or to play basketball and dribble as the world bounces underneath you from the bubbles of the ocean or the sea, depending on where you are sailing. And where does this lead us to? Let's take a look. I believe we go to the evening adult deck. That's the evening horizon pool. And that's a great opportunity to see where we are today. Horizon Pool and Amphitheater brings us to our adult pool, and we have arrived in the Bahamas. So let's take a look. This is the signature destination for MSC Cruises, as it is their very own private island, which is a little bit why the Sportplex area was on the quieter side today, as people are on the island of Ocean Cay. And let's take a quick look. All right, time to explore some of the Bahamas. That was a quick look of the Sportplex. Now it's time, if you want to do some more workout, you can jog the island. Till next time, from the Bahamas, checking out the MSC cruise ship.